Best home remedy to fight dandruff. Do you have dandruff? Is your hair too greasy or peeling off, especially when you comb it? Tell me about it. And also tell me the city or country from where you are watching us. Dandruff is inflammation of the skin of our scalp. It causes us to lose scales from our head in the form of white flakes. Often, being an aesthetic problem, it usually makes us feel ashamed, doesn't it? Even, depending on the situation, it can look like we haven't washed our hair. And worse, sometimes the itching is so intense that it hurts the scalp, creating some small bumps. One of the most frequent causes of dandruff is stress, or some shampoo that is giving some allergic reaction in the head. But dandruff also has several other reasons for appearing, and therefore, today I bring you a natural and very simple recipe to combat dandruff. This natural treatment deeply cleanses the scalp and removes the residues left by shampoo, conditioner, and even other products, helping to reduce oiliness. So let's start making the mixture. We will need 350 milliliters of warm water. It has to be warm, to help release the clove's properties more easily. 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 5 cloves. It can also be normal cloves. Apply only to the entire scalp. Massage gently for 3 minutes. Use the whole mixture at once. After that, rinse very well. And since the bicarbonate leaves the scales of the head very open, remember to rinse very well. Then moisturize the hair using shampoo and conditioner of your usual use. Use this treatment once every 10 days. And once you notice that it is no longer giving you dandruff, you can discontinue use. Because of clove, your head will also be more sanitized, because clove is a natural bactericide and fungicide, which will eliminate harmful bacteria from the scalp. Pretty cool, isn't it? It will be very useful for you. Guys, today's message is in Philippians 4-7. It says, "And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus." In other words, Jesus can grant us true peace, which is different from the peace that the world gives. In the world we find a peace that is fleeting, deficient, and unable to fill us. The peace that comes from God is sufficient, it surpasses our understanding and holds our emotions and our mind in Jesus. This peace does not mean absence of problems, but it is the conviction that we are safe in the loving hands of the Lord. Thank you for watching this far. Until the next video. Bye.